Today we are exploring the Florida International Audio Expo located in Tampa at Embassy Suites. While we were here, we seen stereos, speakers, headphones, amplifiers, cables, and even a cool art sculpture. We even seen a few YouTube celebrities. We went through 12 floors of really cool displays and got to hear some really great sounds. They even took some requests. This was a fun rainy day adventure. This company makes custom speakers right here in Tampa. They sounded really great. These audio sculptures were really cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed our slideshow of this really cool expo and hope to see you on our next destination.